Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable num lock on Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. First of all, you're gonna need to shut down your PC. After that, short press the power button to launch your device, and while it's launching, start repeatedly clicking the F2 key until you see the BIOS dashboard on your screen. Here, you're gonna need to enable advanced setup features by switching this toggle in the top left corner of your screen on. After that, you're gonna need to select keyboard on the sidebar, and here we can either enable or disable num lock by switching this toggle. To apply changes, click apply changes at the bottom, then click OK, and then to exit you can either click exit in the bottom right corner, or you can press escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.